Okay, where am I at? File utility, workflow API. Just add flux to it. At least add flux to it. Okay. What happened was, like, I was testing if the model was working all right, and I found that it is working okay. So see, it is pretty good. I mean, I really like it. The problem is, the files are pretty big, right? The files are pretty big, but where's the file gone? Comfy projects, comfy file, output. Yeah. And this is the one. Yeah, it's like 300 kilobyte, right? So definitely I could use it for SAD, right? Something like that. So anyway, I saved the JSON file, right? I saved the JSON file in the file utility. And let me close this one. Close this terminal. Yeah, close this too. So I know for sure, like, okay, this works, and now I'm here. Let me get, what's this? Clifton Sellers. Love that dude, man. Dude is real. That's what I like about him. comfyUI, ggf we're in the ggf node. So holy, Python. Right, so this is running fine. We just ran it in that PC. It's the same PC. I'm just SSHing into that. Okay. It looks it's running fine. But now we're gonna go check. We're gonna go check out this workflow API. Okay. And then go comfy flux. And delete what we have. Constant items. Items.length, item, base prompt. So we're doing, someone is doing, right? And then we're in the pics folder. The image. Let's see if we are like in 45. This just worked. A software developer with low self-esteem, closed eyes, tired, sitting on his desk. With a laptop captured from a dynamic angle. We just made that, right? So we click that in, and now I want to run it using comfy flux. See what happens, and it fails. Why? I don't get it. It doesn't make sense. You get me? It doesn't make sense. Okay. Why are we failing? Let's put it to ChatGPT. Let's just put it to ChatGPT. I don't know if I can use like I don't think so. Yeah. Got this error from comfyUI. When I run it using the browser, it works. But when I run it from this node, it breaks. Other workflows work fine. Let's see what it says. Literally, right? Conditioning input. Since the workflow works fine in the browser, it could difference in how you are preparing sending the request. Ensure that. Okay, something to do with the prompt is wrong. That means like everything else is wrong. Like comfyUI, comfyflux. Nah. Basic guider. JSON first prompt. Prompt 45. Actually, let's just go to prompt 45. Let's just copy everything here. Could be this wrong, right? Prompt is equals to inputs text. Let's just do this and see what happens. Clip is 29.1. Class text encode meta. Yeah, let's just deal with this first. Like see what happens, right? What was the error? Constant images. Unexpected error const. What sort of error is this? Okay. So we did have problems with the prompt. All right, so we did have problems with the prompt. Okay, let's just go over here and check it out. Where's the thing gone? File utility pics. Okay, so it's probably because we're like copying a previous prompt stuff, right? Copying a previous prompt stuff. Let's see what's happening in here. Loading one new model. So the first model always takes some, besides it's flux models, so these are like, takes a bit of time to load. So the idea is I want to create at least a lot of images using this. So we're seeing, oh, by the way, when I'm here. So idea is like, we want to check out, when I create like all our images like that, and that's what gives us like, yep, it's pretty fast. The first one is a bit slow, but the next one should be. It's the same prompt, so I'm gonna close it after the first one, right? So since it's loaded already, it's not taking some time, and it's gonna because it's the same prompt, it's not gonna do. Let's check it out over here, and it has done a very good job in my mind. It has done a very good job, very good job, right? And I want to eat up that extra 200 kilobytes. I want to eat it up because it's a great model. And it looks very polished, and if I have like my whole style based on this kind of clay kind of stuff, it also gives me a 3D opportunity to make an app with the 3D and 3D world, and then you can take pictures with stuff. That's something I want to do as well. Like I'm thinking of doing it. So yeah, let's have that, right? Let's have that. Cool, man. Awesome. But like right now, we need to make the prompt better, right? At least like I wonder if I should do it with like comfyUI. Okay, everything works now. So generate clay. A young man, closed eyes. To go to say I don't want all of these. Shift. What is that? Like Control V. Like I wanna delete all that. Job. To work. I'm gonna add like to drink, to marry. To marry is like in the first 100 to dekiruka. To call. To disappear. I disappear. A young man. Capture from dynamic angle, that means like it is prompt. We need this bangs. 42 input file name prefix is item. Let's go and see what happens. Ooh. Nah. What's happening? So it did work though. In a moment ago, it did work. You know what? Verb is a bit difficult. It can't do it. Like whenever we're like giving it like that, Juniper Clay, young man, closed eyes. How are you going to do it then? Oh, can't do like prompt. It is item. My bad. What's wrong with now? It's weird. It's very weird. Why I can't call it? Prompts outputs validation. Okay. Can it? Can this be? Like, this will work now. No? Why? It worked a moment ago and generated pictures. Alright. Generated pictures. Alright, no problem. What's happening now? Cursor. cursor is not there yet. I don't know, man. It just generated something a moment ago. Like a moment ago, it generated something. The clip mode used for encoding text. Bad must be linked to list of node ID. What does like ChatGPT says? What does ChatGPT says? I don't get it. Okay. I'll do that. What else did it say? Prompt to copy that prompt. My thing is it just worked as like in the previous one. Just a moment ago it worked. Why it's not working? Okay, I didn't see that. It's a weird error. I don't know. Let's try, man. What's going on? It did work now. Something went wrong, man. Something went wrong. Probably some commas or whatever. Something somewhere went wrong. Right? It is now doing it. Obviously, it's not gonna like make 100 pictures because it's already done, right? So if we check it out here, I mean, it made the same pictures. Look at that. Like how beautiful that is, right? You see that? It's quite beautiful. So, it renamed the file to trash because the file names were different. It just put out the same pictures again and again. So this is ChatGPT, like, so right now it's not like my goal is to use the array items to render different images. That's my goal is. So yeah, that's what I've been doing past whole month, but it ain't working now. Why? I don't know. So you help me out, ChatGPT. Okay, I'll just copy this bit. We don't need anything else. Jelly J, Jelly Z. We want a new pane. Yeah, we don't want it there though. Anyways. What's that? NVim, right? comfyFlux. That should work. I don't know, fingers crossed, man. Something was going wrong. I don't know what. Probably some comma or something somewhere was going wrong. That is why it wasn't happening. I mean, god damn it. Like, come on. Damn, man. Damn. All right. Nice. I like it. Let me show. Oh, you're seeing it already, right? Animal noise to chirp to say, okay, cool. Right, so we're getting the pictures, which is nice. So this is how you automate your content, boys. This is how you automate your content. This is Sparta. This is Sparta. Whoever is here, say hi, man. In the Twitter chat, say hi. I'm here. Say something, boys. Say something. Right. So, boys, we now have other images coming in, but everything is kind of like, it's not doing anything though. It's like, it's just doing that, right? It's not very good. To see, to wait, to sing, comfyUI. To wait, this one just came up to wait. I want to say, I don't really like how it is going. Let me check the words. Like, to know. It is doing the same boy again and again. Okay, I think like we need some sort of what? what I want to do is I want to use I want to use web UI. Is this a backend somewhere? Yeah. And then what did you start sh? So I want to open up like how to start that? I totally forgot how to like conda activate conda list, not that, conda environment list the environments, Py3 whisper, okay, conda web UI, conda activate, right? Activate web UI. Now hopefully this starts. No, okay. How do you open conda? I've totally forgot it. Totally open web UI. Without Docker though. Yeah, I'm running it without Docker. How do you run it? Oh, open. Because I'm running it without Docker. Is it this? I did that as? Forget about it. That's why I don't like Medium anyway. Like, I think it was somewhere here. Not Docker. Open web UI serve. cd backend bash start sh. Sudo start sh, is it? It should be web UI, right? Or not. So basically what I'm trying to do is, I think it's Python. Right. Conda activate web UI. Python start sh, something like that. No? Python main.py. Was it that? No? Man, today's not my day, is it? You know what? Since let's fix the prompts. Because I was thinking of like using the prompts and like using these to make like dynamic prompts. So let's just conda activate comfy new cd projects. No, not that. CD projects, GG, comfyUI, Python main. Yeah, I just don't want the same thing to happen. That's all. Note comfyflux. So let's just see what happens, what comes up. Uritore, kiratoru. Let's see. With the first one. Right. Ta-da-da. Yo, what's happening? What's happening? Yeah, okay. It looks like something is up. Yeah. To say. Okay. I'll bite. Another one. To go. Nice. Nice, I like it. Look at that. That that clay model style. These are just 5 steps, by the way. Just 5 steps, nothing else. To come. To come and to go is kind of like the same. This is why like prompt is so important. Like now the model is good, the connection is good, but the prompt is so important. And this only needs to be like made once, nothing else. Right? This only needs to be made once. To go, to see, to say is also that. I haven't. So the prompt is. I like what is being like done, but how are you going to like add it to the verb? Matteiruzo, wait. This is nice. We can use this. This is really nice. I can't believe it. Like, I mean, I have played with 3D models and 3D modelings and all that, and I've always had interest in that. I always loved the aesthetics of the 3D models, but the only reason I never did that was because it's so much work, right? And man, I mean, this is to wait. It is waiting for that verb. This is perfect. But for the others to appear, it's not that. To come, okay. To go, okay. To come and to go is like, we'll have to. To know is the same. It's like, it's kind of using the same kind of models. What I've seen is if you do it 5 steps versus 30 steps, it does nothing, almost nothing, in terms of how the first model is. To hear. To hold. Okay. Nice. I like this style, to be honest, but I'm not happy with the prompts. Okay. And I couldn't get like OpenUI up and running, otherwise I would have gotten them to write the prompts for me, which I've done before, by the way. Yo. let it happen. Let us go get cursor to make us some damn prompts. Cursor. Oh my days. Right? Cursor, what are you doing, man? Give me my prompts, bro. Get verbs meanings. Fix file names, verbs. Not that, bruh. Where's the file names at? N5. Yeah, but okay. I'm gonna get Cursor to do this shit for me. Cursor is better anyway, right? This is not it. Oh, shit, I have to like SSH into it. Can we just do it once? City, projects, file utility, big comfy, bat comfy flux. Oh no, don't think. Junior clay, captured from a dynamic angle. Junior, actually, I don't think I need capture from a dynamic angle, but let's go. Give me prompts for mid-journey. So that these verbs are easily conveyed. Always add in every prompt. I forgot about it. Give me all of it. It's gonna do like less work. So while it does that, let's go here and check this out, brother. Yo, to make nice, to put out, not really. To use, okay. To wait is beautiful. To work, you're playing, man. To come, to die is this. Why is everything in that small word? All right, to differ. Yeah, that's nice. To eat, awesome. Awesome. Right? To enter. To go. To go. Back. To hear. To hold. To know. To make. To meet. It's almost kissed, man. Come on. To put out. To say. Kinda nice. What is being shown? Kinda nice. But this is definitely not to die. To differ, that's fine though. To eat, I mean. So I need to. Nope. Take the JSON array and generate prompts. It's saying, I'm giving you a, like, here's a sample of first. Stupid. Come on, give me the prompts, man. Do the work. Let me get back here and see what it's doing. No, I don't want the prompts. I don't want a node script. I want you to give me the prompts. No. Let me check out the shit. To finish. To forget. Wasurata no ka? JSON. In JSON. Like, it didn't give it to me in JSON. It started give it to me in here. And I was like, nah, give it to me in JSON. In JSON. In JSON. Okay. Nice. To go back here. some of it is usable, most of it is not. Like to show, why they're always showing like to take something, that's nice. To teach, awesome, awesome, perfect. That's what I want. To use, okay. Materials, to work, to ask, to call out is with the guitar. Come on. To come, to die, to differ. This is much better than our first generation of stuff. The thing is, we need 10,000 of this. But once we do it, our entire what's this? To speak. To write. Awesome. To ask. To buy. Nice. Look at that. Nice. That is nice, man. To call. Right. To drink? What is this? To marry. Let me check this out. Nice. So it looks like without a proper prompt, if I give it just a word like to do, to this, to do, to that, it is actually generating a lot of stuff, and that's nice. And I don't, but around 60% of it is not very good, and that's why we need to put in, what is this? To remember? Nah. We need like a separate prompt to, right, we need a like separate prompt. I really like, by the way, modified. When modified to telephone, nice. Look at that. It actually used a telephone from the bygone age. I actually used to use this. By the way, his hands are morphed, but that's cool. That's what I want. To be able to. I mean, some of these are like so heartening to see. Like, it's great. Now let's come and see what has happened here. Yo! Give me all of it! Give me all of it. Let's see if it like, no, I can't. Yeah. So it's not bad. It wants to give me stuff, but it's just, that's the way it was programmed, right? I mean, the other day I went to like a restaurant and I was asking for fried roti, which we call paratha. It's nice. It's fried roti, right? And they normally don't give me that kind of stuff. Like, they have like, it's fried roti, but they won't give you the fried roti unless you ask. So it's kind of something like that. Like, unless you ask. Simple clear illustration of, in a minimalist style, Junior Clay, cute characters, pastel colors. Who the hell told you to give pastel colors? Oh. I can dig with, I can take that. How many are we in? I'm inclined to let it finish. Right. So now I have like 10,000 words. I wouldn't even be able to do it if I didn't have like LLM to begin to be worried. Look at that eyes. To buy, I'm in love with this one. To buy. To come, to differ. to disappear. This one is crazy. This looks like some Elden Ring boss fight or something like that. Eat, I like it. To enter. To forget. To get on. Get on a bus. To get up. Whoa, to go to bed. Nice. Look at that. Look at that. And it's a flux model, by the way. And see how fast it's doing it, because we've just done like 5 steps, right? The images almost come out the same. I think the more steps, it just makes it a bit better and different, this and that. But I don't think it's necessary. Like, this is great. Like, some of it is great. So controlling the whole thing is the main issue. But we've gotten a nice pipeline. Do it for us, right? Let's see. To work? Nah, man, come on. Modified. Cuisine. Oh, sorry. Yeah, cuisine. Nice. This is nice. Look at that. Cuisine. This is nice. To appear. Okay, hold on. To write, to work, to be born. Let me see what's this. To be born. Look at the one it made. To be born. Can you see it, by the way? To be born. Omare toki kara, since I was born. To open. Yeah, nice. To put in. Yeah, okay. To put out. It's to read. Nice. I like it. So a lot of it are usable. Very usable. Very, very usable. But what I'm gonna do is, like, I'm gonna let it finish. Right. So you see, should I go back and do some coding? I don't feel like. I feel like letting it finish because it's fun. So the idea is, I get 10,000 words, pictures like this, and then generate 10,000 audio pieces like this, and then use like a node canvas to add 2 words on top of this picture. Right? One is the Japanese one is the English one. English meaning and the Japanese. So, and then use the audio. So that's one thing, right? Then use the audio, and then make videos from the pictures and the audio files, right? So I have 10,000 pictures, 10,000 videos, 10,000 audio files. So basically 10,000 pieces of video and 10,000 pieces of pictures. What I'm gonna do then, I have material for marketing for the Twitter page, Facebook, Instagram page for the app, right? And then I'm gonna generate, like, let's say 100 kanjis, 5 kanjis, like 10 kanjis, 100 kanjis, 100 verbs, 100 nouns, all nouns, 1,000 nouns. Oh, let's just put together those videos, use FFmpeg, and get like a bigger video. That's it. And that's YouTube. Done. And if you could generate stuff like this, so to me, getting in 10,000 pictures, making 10,000 videos, instead of that, this is super, super easy. It's an explosion of images. To practice, okay, it is Stratocaster guitars. It has a knack to turn on. Nice. But everything is a guitar thing, though. To lend, who are you lending that to? That's not usable. To play asobi, that is also that. Right? To study. I like it. Really like this stuff. So I don't, how many are them over there? I don't know. It's going pretty fast, by the way. See how fast it is? It's like few seconds for making one picture. It's pretty fast. I like it. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Oh, time to. I'm falling asleep. I'm falling asleep. Yeah, how is zero on it at coding, man? That's something I wanna learn. I wanna know. Is it better to pull? Nice. To come at a halt. What? To put on from the shoulders down. What is this? To borrow? To pull. Nice. Some of these are really great. To take a photo. Nice. To walk. Nice. To sell. This you ain't selling, Baba. To give. Awesome. What are you giving that little kid? Practice. To play. To meet. To run. Anyway, this is really nice. I wonder when this is gonna stop, because then I'm gonna run the second batch. Me. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. No, that's me. Okay, let's check out some more. Free time to arrive at to sit. Nice. To sing. Oh, nice. To answer. Kotaro. To get tired. Nice. To live in. Not really. To rest. Nice. I like it. To rest. Sleep. You can use that to erase. Not really. What are you doing? To borrow. Nah. Not very good. to go to say, I like it. I like this model. What I should do is just, oh, we already have stuff going on, right? We already let me do some other stuff while I'm at here. Oh, not this one. File utility. Get verbs. Actually, adjectives. Noun. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Noun. And N5 noun. Holy. N5 noun meanings. What? Humble. I wonder if I go to like nouns and 5, just first 10, will I see voice? Of course not. What? Okay. I. Yeah. Now, ima. Yarundana. Ima. Ima is now is not really now. But one. Each teacher. We have the pictures for teacher, but we need it for everything. The future, mirai. 大丈夫だろう。今日は自分の立場、世の中で。Okay? How long, bro? I'm getting sleepy. Let me check out these ones. Smoke, look at that. Lesson. To wash. Nice. Look at that. So some of it are really nice. And some of it are like, eh. I digress. To stick. I think nouns will be like easier. So this is a tough battle though. But apart from that, most of our app is done, really, feature-wise. Then after the pictures, there won't be anything left. Apart from, nothing will be left. The app will be ready to like put it out. And the marketing will go on. And we'll see what happens. All right. To call by phone, nice. To go across, I don't want to die. Don't let me go away. I don't want to die. Dude, what to do, man? To take off clothes. To blow? I don't want to die. Anyway. To climb, to cut. It has like a lot of guitars and stuff. To fall, nice. To fly. To get off. To get on. To get tired. To get up. To give. To go out, to go to bed, to hand over. It has 4 fingers. Nice. To line up. To push. To put out, to read, to remember, omoidasu, to rest, to return something, to run, hashiru, to see, to show, to sing, to sit, to stand, to stroll, to study, to take off clothes, to take something, to teach, to telephone, to turn on, to use, to wait, to walk, to wash, to write, to travel, cuisine, free time, lesson, question, shopping, to answer. So whenever it can't figure out what to do, it puts someone with a guitar. To bathe, nice. To be able to be born, to begin, to be sunny, to be worried, to bloom, to borrow, to brush teeth. Nice. Like it, really like it. The brush is bigger than his mouth. To buy, to call. I like it. In fact, I think I'll be able to keep it. All right, I'll be able to keep it. You know what I'm gonna do? After this is done, I'm gonna put in this huge list of roughly 2,000 nouns. So isn't there? I'm gonna go to bed. We'll take it out, like check it out later. Is it 2,000? Can't be, man. N5 nouns meanings. It's actually 417. What is it talking? What is it talking about? Oh, N5. It's 417. Nice. Okay, cool. Let's have that. So there's no point waiting for it, since I'll check it out some other time. Might stop the stream. We'll see you. Talk to you tomorrow.